Hi there, meet the electric spin scrubber with a long handle designed to make cleaning effortless and fast. This cordless waterproof scrubber features 2 speeds for gentle or deep cleaning, perfect for tiles, tubs, and more. It comes with 7 interchangeable brush heads to tackle every surface from kitchen utensils to car tires. The adjustable handle extends up to 51 inches, helping you reach high or low spots without bending or straining. Powered by a 2500 mAh lithium battery, it charges quickly via USB-C and shows battery levels for your convenience. Its durable design stops the motor if friction is too high to protect the scrubber and ensure safety. This versatile cleaning tool transforms your routine, saving time and effort while delivering sparkling results every time. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.